The FLEXIMOUNTS 4x8 overhead garage storage rack is a game-changer for those looking to optimize their storage space and declutter their garage. This heavy-duty metal storage rack offers a weight capacity of up to 600 pounds, providing a reliable solution for organizing your garage items efficiently. By utilizing the overhead space in your garage, this storage rack helps create a more spacious and organized environment, making it easier to locate items and keep your belongings safe from potential damage. One of the key benefits of the FLEXIMOUNTS garage overhead storage rack is its ability to protect your items from water damage by keeping them off the garage floor. This is particularly useful for storing seasonal or less frequently used items, allowing you to free up valuable floor space and create a more functional storage system. With a ceiling drop-down range of 22-inch to 40, this storage rack offers up to 105 cubic feet of storage capacity, giving you ample space to store a variety of items. When it comes to safety and security, the FLEXIMOUNTS storage rack does not disappoint. The long ceiling brackets are designed to be attached to 2 studs, providing a strong and secure foundation for the rack. Additionally, the rack features 6 vertical posts that contribute to its optimal structural integrity, ensuring that your stored items are well supported and protected. The heavy-duty cold-rolled steel construction and thicker M8 screws further enhance the rack's durability and load-bearing capacity, making it a reliable choice for heavy items. The integrated grid design of the FLEXIMOUNTS storage rack sets it apart from other similar products on the market. This design feature makes the rack more stable and sturdy compared to racks with separate frames and wires, providing added support for your stored items. The rack's high-quality construction and rigorous testing of all hardware components ensure that it meets the highest standards of safety and reliability. Installation of the FLEXIMOUNTS 4x8 overhead garage storage rack is a straightforward process thanks to the included hardware and instructions. The DIY-friendly installation template helps you plan and set up the rack with ease. The rack is designed to fit ceiling joist spacing of 24-inch or less, and for larger spacing, it can accommodate a ceiling spacing of 48. This versatility makes the rack suitable for a wide range of garage configurations, allowing you to customize your storage solution to meet your specific needs. In conclusion, the FLEXIMOUNTS 4x8 overhead garage storage rack is a versatile and practical storage solution that offers durability, security, and convenience. Whether you need to store seasonal items, tools, sports equipment, or other belongings, this storage rack provides a reliable and efficient way to keep your garage organized and clutter-free. Say goodbye to cluttered garage floors and hello to a more functional and spacious storage system with the FLEXIMOUNTS garage overhead storage rack.